Hi friends, I hope everyone is amazing. I just wanted to pop in quickly and show you guys my Christmas tree that my son and I put together, as well as share my video for my Christmas coffee station. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to become part of the Therapeutic family. For all my normal subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Okay friends, well that concludes this video. I had so much fun putting it together. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave some comments at the bottom and let me know which was your favorite portion of my coffee station. Alright guys, happy holidays and I will see you in the next video.